एज विमेन, क्योंकि हम एक विमेन लेड प्लेटफॉर्म रन करते हैं, चॉइस ऑफ पार्टनर आपकी लाइफ बहुत चेंज कर सकता है, यू नो, एंड इट कैन रियली ऑल्टर द कोर्स ऑफ योर करियर ऑल्सो. तो इन योर ओपिनियन, एक तो कितना मैटर करता है चॉइस ऑफ पार्टनर, एंड इफ समबडी, द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज, इफ समबडी वांट्स टू बी एन इंडिपेंडेंट courageous woman like yourself, what are the qualities that those women should seek in their partners? क्या ढूंढे?
चॉइस ऑफ पार्टनर जो है लाइफ को बदलता है. लाइफ बिफोर मैरिज और लाइफ आफ्टर मैरिज दोनों में बहुत परिवर्तन है, बहुत अंतर है. आपकी लाइफ तरक्की करती है, उन्नति करती है, खुश रहती है, सफलता प्राप्त करती है, प्रोग्रेस करती है इफ यू हैव द राइट पार्टनर. एंड आपकी लाइफ को डुबो देती है या बुझा देती है अगर आपका रॉन्ग पार्टनर है. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि अगर बुझी हुई पार्टनर है तो आप उसके साथ क्यों लटके रहे? क्योंकि उसके रीजन है कई. क्योंकि आप मदर बन चुके हैं, तो आप क्या करते हैं एज अ वुमन, अपने बच्चों के लिए अपने आप को सैक्रिफाइस करते हो, लेकिन बुझे रहते हो. सो इसलिए लाइफ की पार्टनरशिप में कभी जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए. ना हो तो बेटर है, मगर जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए. और दूसरी बात कि अगर गलती हो गई, समझ में बाद में पता चला कि गलती हो गई, तो जितनी जल्दी पीछा छुड़ाओ उतना अच्छा है. पीछा छुड़ाओ.
ये सब नहीं बोलते हैं, ये बहुत अलग एडवाइस है.
ये पीछा छुड़ाओ. और अगर मदर भी बन गए तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अब और अगर आप वर्किंग मदर हो तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बिल्कुल. और अगर पेरेंट्स की सपोर्ट है तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. और अगर आप मदरहुड से पहले पीछा छुड़ा लिया तो आप मुक्त हो गए. बिल्कुल. तो अब तो आजाद हो गए. दैट मीन्स आपकी सारी लाइफ फिर से खुली. फिर दोबारा में गलती मत करो. करेक्ट. दोबारा गलती मत करो. कमाओ, खाओ, बांटो, खाओ, मौज करो. आजादी और अपनी स्पेस और अपनी हवा बहुत जरूरी है. बिल्कुल. अपनी स्पेस, आजादी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. घुट के जीने में तो क्या ही मजा है, ये तो कोई जीना ही नहीं हुआ. और हमारे देश में तो अक्सर सारी की सारी औरतें काफी हद तक घुट के ही जीती है, क्योंकि वो फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होती हैं, और फिर बच्चे हो जाते हैं एज यू सेड, तो फिर देन दे फील रिस्पॉन्सिबल टुवर्ड्स इंश्योरिंग कि मैरिज वर्क. और अगर फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट है, शादी के बाद छोड़ देती है. क्यों छोड़ती हो? तुम्हारे आदमी ने तो नहीं छोड़ा, तुम क्यों छोड़ रहे हो? ओ नहीं, ये बेबी हो गया, बच्चा हो गया, तो पहले समझदारी से करना था ना, मम्मी बनना था. क्योंकि आपने देखा सपोर्ट सिस्टम क्या है. ना आपके पास ऑफिस सपोर्ट सिस्टम, ना तुम्हारे पास फैमिली सपोर्ट सिस्टम. तो किस बात की जल्दी आपने? पहले सपोर्ट प्लानिंग करो. क्योंकि लाइफ इज जब आप एक लाइफ को जन्म देते हो, लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट है. बिल्कुल. वो आपको जब तक वो व्यक्ति, सारी उम्र प्रोजेक्ट. चाइल्ड इज ऑलवेज अ लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट. सो इसलिए कभी जल्दबाजी ना शादी में करो, ना मदरहुड में करो. नेवर. दिस इज सच प्रोफाउंड एडवाइस, स्पेशली क्योंकि इतनी गर्ल्स जो अभी गलती में मत जियो. हाँ, जो अपनी 20s में है, उनको इतना सोसाइटी से प्रेशर फील होता है कि सब आसपास बोल रहे शादी करो, क्योंकि फिर बच्चे कब करोगे. तो सोसाइटी से शादी करो ना. सोसाइटी कौन फैसला कर? आप फैसला करोगे. आप जीना तो आपने है. बिल्कुल. या आपकी जिंदगी है. बिल्कुल. I completely agree.
I think if you don't find the right partner, don't get married, because it'll kill your joy, your laughter, your fun, your career for sure. Yeah.
I agree.
If they insist on a lot of children, then your body as well. It's gonna get really screwed up.
Fair.
Hana?
No,
no one talks about this.
Yeah, and I don't know why. I mean, it's true, and I feel like it's really either or. It's either 0 or 100, like, you know, because I feel like we are so used to mediocrity being the norm that we're okay with just, there's someone for the sake of someone being there. That, you know, we lose sort of appreciation for like valuable relationships.
Yeah.
You know?
I think so. I think your partner should be able to elevate you also, na?
Yeah.
It should be whatever, like male, female, whatever gender you choose, they should bring out the best in you. They should be like, okay, Bani, you are a real estate person, but why don't you start your own podcast? You're beautiful. Why don't you start doing this? And you should do this and you should do that. And I'm going to, you know, champion you in that sense. So that's something I really liked about Ali. I knew he was a fan of my work because his friend accidentally let it slip.
Yeah?
Because I didn't know he had a soft spot for me at all.
Yeah, because you said you were friends.
We were friends and we became friends also because बाकी के 3 लौंडे वो पूरे दिन भटूरे खा रहे थे. So not to say that Ali was not eating, and these boys know, they are like my homies, and
Yeah.
but you know, it was a very different scene with them.
Yeah.
And I think I was on a phone call once and he was talking to someone and they said, "Arey Richa, ये film करी थी," and then I backed out of that film. And he had called that guy and said, "अरे यार मुझे चड्डा चाहिए," and then as luck would have it,
चड्डा मिल गई.
चड्डा मिल गई.
But I think I was listening to Shobha Day in a conversation recently, and she said that if we look at a relatively small sample of people, but like where women are in a position to still make a choice to marry someone or not, then they know it's only a choice. So then they know it's a choice even to not stay in a relationship that's not fulfilling them.
Yeah.
So it's like there's nothing that's absolute, like, yay, marriage, so wow. No, but I feel like there is a sense of freedom and a sense of choice that's there now in the mix.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm embracing that as well and not being like, I think I stopped chasing, like consciously chasing. Maybe subliminally I was still chasing a number in my head. But I think post 27 I was like, अच्छा तो अब traditionally ऐसे वैसे करके शादी वादी तो नहीं होने वाली है. You know, because I had already crossed that
Threshold.
yeah. मतलब I was some sort of either like biggest liability or like greatest jackpot.
Yeah.
You know, so I feel I'm in jackpot section right
100%.
now.
And I think that's how everyone should feel.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, society conditions us to
Yeah,
feel differently.
you're such a liability and you're probably like the greatest jackpot waiting to happen.
Yeah.
This is scratch kar raha hai, sabhi surface.
But okay, you spoke about turning 40. What have your 20s and 30s taught you about love?
That's actually a chapter in the book. Yeah. So I've reached that level where I know that there was a time, okay, let's right, like when I was younger, flames,
Yeah.
it was like a big deal, dude.
Yeah.
It's like, I was just watching Guns and Gulabs, right? So very sweet, yeah. So पता है flames में भी ना मेरा तो L आया है, अब तो भैया मैं M करके रहूँगा, you know. So that used to happen with me. Because it was very simple, yeah. Like you look around you, there's enough cinema, there's enough thing, and also I came from a really protective family, so I was like, if the only way I can get out of this is by having my own family, which meant I needed to marry someone. So idea में तो love था कि we will meet someone, kiss someone, go back home, and then be like flames, and then it'll happen, then we'll marry. That's simple, yeah. Life, not difficult.
Yeah.
What is the complication? Then it didn't happen once, then twice, then thrice, then 4 times, then abuse happened. What the fuck? Like, giri nahi raha yaar. What is happening? Oh, I'm in a Zord ball. So then by 27, जब फिर मतलब शायद for the 81st time when I had my heart broken, I was like, अरे यार अब थोड़ा धीरे चलते हैं. फिर 30 साल के हो गए. फिर it was like अब कुछ करते हैं. फिर वो sad incident of abortion हो गया. तो फिर again question करो अपनी reality. और ये हो क्या रहा है. तो फिर हमने फिर थोड़ा झगड़ा किया अपने आप के साथ कि यार अब माँ तो नहीं बन सकते. ये तो नहीं हो सकता अपने लाइफ में. फिर अब मतलब you know towards again that 37 mark, I said, what am I punishing myself for? ये चल क्या रहा है भाई? What's this fight? ये क्या अंगार है? मतलब relax थोड़ा लाइफ में.
स्ट्रेस क्यों है इसका इतना?
हर चीज को मुद्दा बनाना है लड़की को. मतलब क्या है ये मुद्दा? करना है करो, नहीं करना है मत करो. बुलाया जाओ. Like yesterday I heard something like, you're invited to the party, you go to the fucking party. You know, then don't be like, oh, I don't want to go, I have to wear clothes, what do I wear? I have nothing to wear. Then don't cry. Then just get ready and go to the party. So I feel like now I am
Ready to go to the party.
Yeah, I'm just getting ready. Look, I've come to the party.
It's a fab look for the party.
Yeah.
So do you get a lot of like अभी तुम शादी कर लो, अभी उम्र निकल जाएगी, एंड लोग कितना इंटिमिडेट होंगे तुमसे, यू नो, you're too much for an ordinary man.
I do get all kinds of. You know what always cracks me up is that in India, this whole single shaming is a very acceptable thing.
Yeah, I
Right?
agree.
So the same people who call it, oh, अभी बेटा, you know, शादी कर लो, या अभी कौन मिलेगा, or you'll be too big.
Compromise कर लो, settle कर लो.
And their own kids are so miserable. So at one side I have to listen to this from like the parents who are like, you know, oh shadi kar lo beta, and then the other side is I have their kids who over a drink will be like, oh babe, I got so stuck, I didn't want to get married, I would have been Elon Musk if my father had not married me off. Some guy will be like, arey, my wife and I, we don't get. I'm like, you know what, if you have an opinion on marriage,
Yeah.
by all means, not even your children, keep it to yourself, because
Yeah.
this Indian system, I feel, of parents being so over involved
Yeah.
in who their kids marry and what they do, I think it was made during child marriage days.
Yeah.
So when the child is 12 or 13 in a village and their parents decide this is who you're going to marry and this is what you're going to do,
Yeah.
made sense. But today you're 30 years old, you're educated and independent. That system should not be there.
Yeah.
Chairman Mao banned arranged marriage in China in 1929 in the Cultural Revolution.
Yeah.
In India, that parampara is still going on. And it cracks me up because the same people who talk so big about marriage,
Yeah.
when I actually know, like, behind those happy social media pictures, what's going on.
Oh,
I'm like, tum
man.
apna sambhalo.
This happy social media pictures of couples
Oh my
is
God.
just like so fake, because I know so many couples who are miserable in their relationships, who barely even spend any time together, but
I think दो लोग सबसे ज्यादा दूसरों को लेक्चर देते हैं ना,
हाँ.
उनके घर में ही कोई तकलीफ है.
because the ones who are happy don't care only.
The ones who are happy not also lecture you.
Yeah.
So
they are
that's-
happy, they're doing their own thing, they're happy for you also in whatever you're doing.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
it doesn't
So
matter.
It's very comical, to be honest.
Yeah.
When I hear a lot of these things, you often don't know what to say as a rebuttal, because you've always been taught, of course, to be very well-mannered in
Yeah,
the
and
environment
kind,
that
yeah.
we've grown up in.
Yeah.
But when you look at it from a larger picture, they're telling someone to get married. Are you being happy being married? Are your kids happy being
Yeah.
married?
Yeah.
So I think the whole Indian system of personal life,
Yeah.
I think women have gone professionally really well.
Yeah.
But personally, I think there's they need role models, they need change, they need new things coming up.
Yeah. And you're going to be one of them.
I am going to be